If you ever see this tool and you wonder what it's for, this is a valve keeper quick remover and installer. The way you want to use it is you want to use it with a hammer or preferably a rubber hammer, and you're going to need a magnet. You can do it with the cylinder head on the vehicle or off the vehicle. If you do it on the vehicle, you need to put air pressure or bring the piston up and secure it so the valve doesn't fall in. Or if you're doing a bench, you want to put a rag or something underneath just to take the space or the valve doesn't collapse inward. And then you're just gonna lay it flat on there. You're gonna hit it. That's how you remove the valve keeper. And then right inside are the valve keepers. You take magnet and then you remove them. And to install, you're going to use this tool, which you put it right in here. Take your valve retainer and you put the keepers in there. Just make sure they're facing the right way. Once you get it on there, just lay it on top of the valve spring. Then take in this part of the tool. You want to line it up in there. And then you're going to press it down and just hold it firmly. And just hit it till it locks in place. And that's how you remove and reinstall the valve keeper with this tool.